Hi guys, my name is Maska and I'm on the trip of a lifetime in Hawaii, documenting it all for 3 weeks. Enjoy!
What's up everybody, Grant back here again with another daily vlog. It's gonna be in a...
camera, please.
Oh, sorry, here.
Thank you. Good morning, welcome to the second vlog of Hawaii. Oh my god, my voice, wow, it's so bad. We have to get out of this room in 10 minutes, but no, we're still taking photos. Yeah, we're gonna go check out of our second hotel in about an hour. It is such a beautiful day today.
Let's make the most of it.
Oh my god, oh my god. It's 1 AM. I was supposed to upload a video tonight, but editing's taking too long. But tomorrow, waking up bright and early at like 6 AM, we are going on a hike and then the beach.
Oh, that's such a good caption. Wait, I just thought of the best Instagram
What is it?
Oh my god. Sun-dried and sleep-deprived.
Oh my god! No, I'm using that.
I'm sorry.
No, I'm using that. I don't care, I'm using that.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today is the 25th of November. It's currently 7:16 in the morning and Masket is in the bathroom doing her makeup and filling in her eyebrows, and we're 15 minutes late. I decided to make sure that she's not stressed later today that I would start off the vlog now on her behalf. We're going on a hike today and we're going to Lanikai Beach. I've wanted to do this for like 5 years and I'm so excited.
Guys, we're in the middle of a hike. I'm so puffed out. We don't have water. But look at the view right now. It's so beautiful. Whew. Let's keep going. This freaking hike was not easy. Actually, it wasn't hard. Shut up.
¿Verdad se siente?
We're about to finish the hike. I just wanted to like document it. One more jump. Ready? Guys, so it's this beautiful beach right now. It's called Lanikai Beach in Hawaii.
We're shooting. It's like 2 PM, so there's a lot of people.
Everyone is staring at us. Do you know what? It's worth it because look how beautiful that is.
Yeah,
and we're standing right in the middle of that, and those people that are staring are not going to have that Insta, so that's their problem.
Okay, you actually are me, but my turn to be you. Are you ready?
You're putting your camera on wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Masket.
Guys, are you sure you want to do that? Hey guys, it's...
Oh my god, Ali, no, I look so ugly. Oh my god, Ali, I blink.
Wait, guys.
Who is she?
We're still at the beach, yeah, so it's still dark here. Anyway guys, we had such a good time. It's 1:30 in the morning. I'm exhausted. We are so tired and I'm so sunburnt. Guys, you don't understand. It hurts so much. And I feel really sick. But I just uploaded a video. It's a guide to the perfect Instagram. And I love the thumbnail. Ali made it. Really loving the thumbnail.
Go watch it if you haven't. You should probably tell them how we have to be up in 4.5 hours.
Oh my god, don't even tell me that.
It doesn't come off.
We use a sunscreen and it's literally making me so white and I can't rub it off. Like I literally, it's like not coming off at all. So we just set up a photo shoot in our room kind of thing. We have a cute little like setup and we're gonna get some photos. So it's time to put the face mask on Ali. Ooh. Oh my god, this is so gross. Jokes, I'm not putting this on myself. No, I'm joking. Ew, actually, wait, I don't know if I want to put this on now. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I really like my makeup. Life is a highway.
Where did that come from? Where did that come from?
Take back what you wanted to say. You know it wouldn't hurt mine. Oh no.
So we're at the Cheesecake Factory for dinner. I just ordered a vegan burger.
I got nachos, a burger, and a cheesecake because you know what? Stuff it, who cares?
Good morning guys, I forgot to end the vlog from last night, but we have 3 locations this morning to get done. One of them is this for Ali for his Christmas theme.
The situation right now is there's 2 vans.
It's actually so tragic because we woke up earlier to come here to make sure there was no one here.
Like, bro, what are you doing? Can you please just move?
I'm getting a new camera guys because, as you know, I lost my other one. Well, it got stolen. So we're at Best Buy. Let's hope they give us a good deal. I missed having a little vlog camera.
What's up, everybody? Grant back here again with another daily vlog. It's gonna be in a.
camera, please.
Oh, sorry. Here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry about that.
It's alright. No, I'm joking, guys. Okay, so I'm with Grant, and he just helped me buy this camera. I found these 2 YouTubers. He like vlogs and makes like comedy and fun videos at like Comic-Con and all that. And you like make music.
Yeah, I do all kinds of stuff.
Yeah,
my card.
Yeah, it's your card. Cute.
Shameless plug.
We made it to the North Shore. Okay guys, so we are grocery shopping right now. Oh my god, yes please. Ali and I have been editing for the past few hours. The North Shore is so beautiful and we can't wait to explore more of this area tomorrow. Okay, good night guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.